4 plus 4 gives us 8. 6 times 8 equals 48. Drop down 288 and divide it by 48. This gives us 6. But this solution is wrong and this answer is not correct. Because according to the PEMDAS rules, our first step is to calculate what is inside the parentheses. Then next we evaluate the exponents. The next step is to solve the multiplication and the division components. Finally perform addition and subtraction. And all our operations will be performed from left to right. Okay, let's start our solution. In our problem we have this division and this multiplication. Also we have this parentheses for this multiplication. In mathematics, if a number is placed next to parentheses, this means multiplication, and we don't write the multiplication sign for conciseness. By following the PEMDAS rules, first we must do this parentheses, after that we do this division, and finally we do this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it's wrong. So we will start with this parentheses. We have 4 plus 4 equals 8. So 288 divided by 6 times 8. Now we have this division and this multiplication. Let's take this division. 288 divided by 6 gives us 48 times 8 gives you 384. So this was our final answer to this problem.